All right, folks, Wednesday morning, guess what? We're back in the city. That's right, back in Chicago, heading into the office. It's a great feeling. It's been about a year since we started doing these videos. It's crazy the journey we've been on. So looking at the markets, look at yesterday, markets got crushed. Russell 2000 down 3.5%. These markets just got hit hard yesterday. So seeing a bit of a bounce back this morning. Markets across the board are in the green, so we're trading higher. Like I said yesterday, we got 2 days of testimony on Capitol Hill with Jerome Powell and Treasury Secretary Yellen. Nothing big coming out yesterday, nothing that we didn't expect. But this uptick in COVID cases, or at least these new variants in the UK, is really putting pressure on these markets. Look at oil. Oil trading at $65 a barrel last Wednesday. A week later, today, just getting crushed. $57 a barrel, just above $57 a barrel in WTI, up 2% this morning, but really got hit yesterday. We've also got a big tanker ship stuck in the Suez Canal right now. This is putting pressure on these markets. So FX right now, dollar continues its strength. We're seeing the euro quickly approaching 1.17. All right, folks, let's go get some today. I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.